In this set of words, we're looking at adding ology to a root or base word, and ology means the study of. So go through and just highlight that. And you can see in these words too, we've got the CH making the K sound in technology and psychology, which indicates that they're all Greek words. Now here we're forming adjectives by adding OUS to the end of these base or root words. And don't forget you've got that U before the os in these. So the os is forming the adjective and we need that U in there as well. Now here, conspicuous, you've got the IC, not ICK after a short vowel, because once you have a multisyllabic word, you're just putting the C, not the CK after the short vowel. Here you've got a silent P, which also indicates that it's Old Greek. I think that's about all we've got in there to show you. Now what do these words mean? Biology means the study of living things. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. For example, the development of machinery and equipment or engineering knowledge. Pathology is the study of diseases and the changes they cause, especially the laboratory examination of samples of body tissue for diagnostic purposes. Psychology is the study of the human mind and its functions, especially those affecting behaviour. Anthropology is the study of human societies and cultures and their development. Strenuous means demanding or grueling. Deciduous means seasonal and temporary. Ambiguous means unclear or vague. Continuous means ongoing or sustained. And conspicuous means obvious, eye-catching. In these words, go through and highlight the OLOGY, ology, which means the study of, in the first 5 words, and then in the second set, highlight the OUS, which usually makes the word form into an adjective, and then also highlight the U before each of those, because we need that U in each of those words when we say them. So strenuous, deciduous, so you need to make sure that you're actually mouthing that long U sound in those words. So copy the list word, then match it to the pictures. We've started the word for you, you have to finish it off, and then you can use different coloured highlighters to link them to the correct picture. Fill in the gap with the missing list word. If you get stuck on any of the meanings, go back to the day 1 video. Complete the word, then link to its synonyms. So you're just writing the word in its full form here, and then use different highlighters once again to link it to its correct synonyms. Fill in the gap with the missing list word. Nice, easy way to finish the page. Do go through and highlight any of the common patterns that you can see in these words. And then down here we want you to find the list word. So go read the word and then find the word that it relates to, it's based on in the words above. So we're making adverbs. You know by now that you simply add ly to form an adverb. And then we want you to choose 2 of the adverbs and write a sentence using both. Add the suffix ist. So when you're adding ist, it's going to form a noun. So a biology would change to biologist. So think about that and then use 1 in a sentence. Now when you add the suffix cal to make adjectives, do remember that you have to change the y at the end of the word to an I before you add the cal. We've got 2 words here that are the same, pathology, but they have different meanings. So just be aware of that when you're filling in the sentences. Then down the bottom we want you to write a sentence using these list words. Try and make your sentence as engaging as possible for the reader. Today's day 4 is all about health words that you probably need to understand the meanings of. So write the medical word from the word bank. This is the word bank to match the descriptions. There's the descriptions. If you're unsure of the meaning of some of those words, then you may need to look them up. So name the body system that includes these organs. So we've given you the organs down here. You have to match the body system to each of those sets of organs.